Alright, this video record is just for a brief overview of the GoPro trade, just so you guys can understand, my reasoning behind it, why, I took the trade, where my targets were, etc. So that, you guys can kind of, get in it the next time that something sets up like this. So, in my opinion, that this is this is a full Elliott wave here. This is technically the first leg. This is the second leg. It's a long flag. And then since it's a long flag, we've got the third leg here, the fourth leg is short, and then we got the fifth leg that's happening right now. In order to get the targets, the fifth leg is generally as long as the first leg. So, we do this 21-25 from the bottom here, from the bottom of the first leg, so that's the bottom to the top here. We're then applying that from the bottom of the top up here. We're coming up with like an $84 target. So we're very close to that, and there's a good probability that that's going to reach. I'll just draw the wave here for you. Major retracement. Oops, wrong one. That go down here, up here, and then there we go. So this should be the fifth leg, should be around that 84 area. So that's kind of what I was seeing, and I did post about this on this breakout here, and then again I also did post about this on this breakout here. You can tell by this chart that that was my trigger. And going forward, that ended up triggering, and it was a long to take. So this is something that you should really watch going forward. Is that these breakout plays, these transition areas, that's something that where you can make a lot of money, because ultimately, let's look at this chart. This chart, I'm taking looks like an $89 trigger. Taking a 67, I'm taking $1.50 stop. $1.50 stop for $20, or like, hold on, this isn't working right. So I entered in about there. So I mean, $1.50. That's a 10-to-1 trade. I mean, if you do 3 or 4 of these, you get these 3 or 4. That's perfect. I mean, you don't have to, you can just continuously be doing these trades, and be making these large amounts, and that's what this game is to not to be right the whole time. It's to be right 50% of the time, and be taking 4-to-1 trades. I mean, like I said, I've been I'm deep green on this pullback, because I've been waiting for the right setup, and I've been taking it. Even though that I'm 1 for 5 after that massive bull run that we had. I'm just sitting here waiting for my trades, and sure enough, this one pops, and I'm making a ton of money. So I just kind of wanted to give you guys kind of an overview of my system, once again. But I mean, it's clearly defined here, and you can see that this 4 EMA is my stop, and that thing is just riding it perfectly right now. And there's no reason to exit this trade up until my target, which is 84. So anyways, best of luck, guys, and I appreciate the time, and like the video.